Yeah, sir, bro.
I did, my brother, you good?
Yeah, I know. What you got?
I know, so I got a bit of everything, my brother.
Yeah, you
What
can see what I want.
Yeah, man, you can come and see what I go, man. No problem.
Alright, people, welcome to Jamaican Delight.
Jamaican Delight.
So we're inside the Jamaican Delight kitchen.
Yeah, and the scene. Yeah.
What I going over here, sir, brother?
You know, so some fried dumpling, what do you do with?
Yeah,
man, some fried dumpling and I get ready for the afternoon, you see?
Yeah.
Oxtail, yeah, so yeah. We have we curry goat I go and cook for the afternoon, they're so ready. Ackee and saltfish in there.
Wow,
so ready, people. Yeah.
Oh, God.
The vegetarian pound in our meetings, we have a big pot of steamed veggie for them.
Oh, God.
Nice to steam
Vegetarian people.
Yeah, man, vegetarian, see there. Alright, go well with the rice and peas.
All who not deal with flesh.
Yeah.
See there.
See there.
Alright.
Yeah, man. People, so the favorite curry chicken and the steaming down.
Oh, God. All who love the curry chicken.
Yes, people.
I hate that.
Yeah. We have oxtail cook already, but you don't know we cook as small, so we can't have everything for the cooker.
That's right.
Yes, people like
that. Why, brother, the place look good. So what you got in your oven there?
We have some jerk chicken that I go and see over there.
Oh, God.
Yeah, we can show them look. Same look.
Oh, God.
Go and simmer down, see
oh, God. People, remember today is Friday, you know. Come and get on the jerk chicken. Come and get on the curry goat. Come and get on the curry chicken. For all the people who want to deal with flesh, we got veg on the side. We have some nice fried dumpling there.
Yeah, we got all the patty them as well too. We got all flavors.
Oh, God.
You know what I mean?
See the patty them there?
Yeah. We got chicken, cheesy beef, lamb and veg. Vegetarian, same way we not lift out.
There you go. Drinks in here as well.
Yeah.
Everything. I don't have to call them out. See them there? Come on, Jamaican Delight. And I notice you have some seasoning in your virgin. Come tell me how them go.
Yeah, you know, so due to them season we put in a Jamaican Delight dishes. Because we start off at the Portland season with the Northern season, Portland season.
Yeah.
It's the chicken flavor.
That's right.
It's the jerk chicken flavor we use.
Yeah.
They are like vegan, them we don't know, we do vegetarian stuff for them same way. We so have the menu for them.
Yeah.
So we have the all-purpose, we work with everything.
Yes.
And so we have the seafood and ackee and the saltfish and, you know, any kind of swim around we are dealing with.
Okay.
We don't know what swim around mean, but a fish we call it. But we don't know, we don't really call it fish, a swim around we call it.
That's right.
Yeah. Up top.
Yeah, man, as you can see, Jamaican Delight, one Jamaican Delight in a Peterborough. Caribbean takeaway. One Jamaican Delight in a Peterborough. Big up on yourself. Up top. Active.